how everybody doing? Today is Friday, September 19th, 2025. I hope everyone had a great week. I'm starting my weekly stock market journal early. I just wanted to get it out there. But yeah, excited to have you guys here. And is this your first time joining? Pretty much what I do every weekend. I pretty much go through my entire portfolio, structure it, and have a game plan ready going into the following week. I follow currently right now follow um, a strategy called the Money Flow Trading System. This is where created by Jared Peters. This is where I develop these strategies and these um, implementations that I do weekly. Is pretty much structure a portfolio. Um, I position myself in terms of stocks I'm adding to my portfolio, stocks I may be trimming for profit, stocks that's declining into stage four, trading option trading ideas. I know how much dividends I'm getting for that following week. I know if my dividends are increasing. I know the sector rotation going into the following week, so where the market is gauging. I know if it's a bull or bearish or neutral. So this is definitely a good strategy to do weekly just to have an overall understanding and a calm week going into, and you're not stressed out um, that following week in the market, being that you don't have this plan structure. So what I'll do, let's jump right into it. So if this is your first time again, the current strategy that I follow is called the Money Flow Trading Systems. Pretty much just a strategy based on price movements. Price moves in four stages. Stage one, which is uh, prices um, either bouncing off or the 5 day moving average, prices above the 5 day moving average, which is this red line, is an indicator that things are warming up to a possible reversal to the upside. Then when we still in a stage one, when price go above the 10 day, which is this blue line here, this is another indicator letting you know, okay, price is definitely structuring to possibly going to stage two. What that pretty much mean is it's above the 20-day moving average, which is this green line, and it's pretty much in position to go uptrend. So these are the indicators that I use to assist me in notifying me where price is moving. And also I use the MACD and the RSI as another indicator for assistance. So let's get going. So first I go through the wind. Uh, the USO is oil. I'm always on a daily time frame when I'm going through my portfolio. So right now, as you can see, price is below the 5 day, which is the red, the 20 day, which is the green. Excuse me, the blue, which is the 10, and again, and below the 200, uh, which is the gold line. So this is a stage four. Oil's going down. QQQ 73. It could still continue running. So it's a 2-3, 3-2. So when stocks hit the three, it's pretty much above the 73 or the 70 RSI. But again, it could it pretty much indicate letting you know that price may cool down and possible reversals. Not 100% guarantee that's what's going to happen, but it's a like a notifier say, hey, keep an eye on that. But as you can see, as the market has been going up and up and up, so the RSI can go to like 75, 80, etc. So stage three is pretty much, hey, it's time to trim some profits and everything. But right now, still in the stage two, um, and in the stage three. TLT is bonds. Bonds has been declining. Okay, it hit its highest point, and then it's coming down right now. So it's right now it's still in a stage two, being that it's above the 20-day, but as you can see, it's still declining. So I'm going to put a 2-4, could go either way, meaning that it can stop here. So this could probably be a new low and then bounce off and continue going up, or it could continue going down to a stage four. So keep an eye on this. And it could probably be a trade also too, actually. So I'll put this as a possible trade and I'll chart this afterwards and stuff. SPY. SPY been ripping also. 7123. 32. Same thing, ripping. Gold. Gold been ripping also. 73. Still going up. Wait, I gotta put these in the stage. So we have QQQ, SPY, DIA, gold, ripping still. Yeah, no, I'm not trading gold. Metals, which is silver, ripping also. 2, 3. I did catch this. So I've been trading this. I've been keeping an eye on this also. Could possibly break out. I'll put this on the trade. Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Boom. This would be this would be a two. This would be a two. Dogs at the Dow. Verizon. I got eaten up on Verizon, man. Verizon still stage four. I started using this indicator called previous highs, previous lows. Hold on. Oh, can't have it. Oops, I'm looking for. Alright, guess I need to add that. All good. All good. So no, I do need to add that. Actually, I do need to add it. I do need to add it. No, it is called fuck. Is it? Let me see. Hold on 1 second. And this is patterns. Okay, that's the one you got it. So this is edit 3. All right, cool. Keep your eye on Verizon. Was in the stage four, CVX. Keep it moving. Higher. It's not bad either. Let's keep going on that too. CVX. But it's in the stage four. Stage one, stage two broke out. So boom, hit the stage one, and boom, broke out right there. EAMG, stage two, Johnson and Johnson. This is curling up too as well. Higher. This is stage one. Merck, I tried in Merck also. Merck, Merck is setting up also. So possible. 4-1 could go either way. So right now, price is below the 5. So it's showing up as a stage 4. But again, it could bounce up above the 5 next week to turn into a stage 1. And also, the MACD is curling. So once this cross is pretty much going to be ripping, possible. Or it bounce, same thing. But so 4-1. I'll still put Merck. I'll chart this up too as possible option. KO. KO in the stage 4, but again, it could bounce up and look like a lower low. No, it looked like a lower low. Yeah, lower low here. So I'll KO. It's another one, but it's still 4-1 for either way. I'll see how the weekly setup. See, weekly is just straight declining. That can come up too. So monthly declining also. So again, it's still early, but I'll keep an eye on them. IBM ripped. Look at that, hit my target. Um, stage two. IBM could probably another trade too. I fill this gap. So IBM could definitely be another trade, but IBM could probably be a little expensive. Let me see. Yeah, IBM expensive for me right now. Stage two, Cisco, a hammer. Still in the stage two. It's curling. This might not be bad. Let me see on the 4 hour. Boom, came up here. Going to stage one. Yeah, see, that's Cisco not bad. Let me see. I got that 69. 71. Let me see. Not bad. 18. It's not bad either. 69. 70. 70. Let me see. 70. Yeah. And that was in August a month ago. Yeah, definitely doable. Definitely doable. I'll put Cisco for sure. Stage two. McDonald's. Boom. Oh, McDonald's another one too. Came down. Curled up. Three, four. Market's hot. It's been choppy. It's been choppy. It's been choppy, I'll say. I charted energy also too. Energy stage four. Because it hit its target up. It didn't go above it, but it definitely hit. Four, let me see. And I probably go all the way down back to here or break it and come up. So I'll keep no, I'll keep up. Maybe not next week. Cause right now it's still crossing. You never know. But next target could probably be around yeah here XLF. So I'm not good with puts yet. So I gotta get better with puts. But this allowed a gap right here. One 135. Let me see. 135. Yeah. Six stage. Could be a 4-1 healthcare. materials. Real estate for energy. The spread is too wide. Ford. Oh, SPY again was 3. Intel, forget it. Intel exploded. Intel exploded, dog. Where's Intel at? That's crazy too. Meta, Meta's in the 2. Apple, Apple is in the 2. 250, 260, definitely doable. Let me see. Yeah, could possibly be a trade. Could possibly be reversal too. Uh, 50-50 for me. I'd rather catch them on the bottom like this and ride it up. But again, it's close to the all-time high, so we may probably hit a target here. Let me see here. So if we can definitely get to the $5. I mean to the 250, then a slight pullback to 260. So it's doable, but keep an eye on that. What else? ESS. And that's it, folks. Um, Went through my portfolio. Everything is set up. Got the last one, USO 4. Two. Thank you for attending. Definitely look out for my Substack. I'll be putting out later this weekend, and my YouTube video of this if you want to do another recap and watch this over. So appreciate you guys for staying with me, and I hope everyone have a great week and everything. You just make sure pre-plan for your week going into the following week, and you should be good. Peace.